channel. Oh gosh, it's unboxing time. Alright, so I got a message from Julie's Secret Stash, and she asked me if she could send me something that I would like to show you on my YouTube channel. So of course, yeah, but first let me tell you a little bit what's Julie's Secret about. So Julie's Secret Stash is a shop based in Luxembourg and owned by Julie, who is from Belgium. And the goal of the shop is to make crafters discover new products and brands. As she put a lot of efforts on the product selection to make people discover new products, and she is just such a sweet lady. There are a lot of pictures and videos of the product that she make herself. The goal is to try to recreate the real-life shopping experience and make like you had the product in your hands. And yeah, we all have little gifts on top. Most of the gifts are coming from little artists, and she worked with in order to make you discover even more types of products. So each month she had activities organized by the shop, as what she prefer with scrapbooking is a community around it. So she organized swaps with people and to meet people from the community, and often they get some discount to shop, discount code for the shop. And most of all, she is super active on Instagram, and I must confess, I watched a couple of cute ever videos on Instagram, and oh my goodness, wow, I wish I could make those cute videos myself, but I'm not gonna go into it because I'm making already so much videos already. But yeah, not professional as she did, and there are so many cute videos to be seen on TikTok and Instagram, and oh my gosh, amazing. And I know they are so time spending, so I'm not gonna go in that because but I wish I could do that, but oh my god. So check it out, Julie's Secret Stash. I don't know if they have also a Facebook site, but definitely on Instagram, because it's on Instagram that she was contacting me. Anyway, let's unbox this. And she let me choose a bit, and so I am very curious on how it looks. Alright, so open this up and let's see what's inside. Here we go. Alright, there is a little note inside, so I'm going to check that first. What's that said? Wait just a sec. Yes, this definitely I like to share with you. Hello Diana, thank you so much for helping me grow my little store. It means a lot to me, especially that I love watching your videos. Oh, that's so cute. I hope you like the project I selected for you. I included the collection from Ciao Bella you loved. Yay! And with other products and little gifts I usually include in every order. I am looking forward to see your reactions in videos. See you soon, Julie. This is so cute. I love this. Also so cute. So let's see. Oh my god, I love surprises. Alright, so I think that this is something that she always includes. I don't know, but let's check it out. Love this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. What's this? Is this a sticker? Yes, it's a sticker. Oh, that's cool. Wow. For you. Oh, that is so cool. Look at this. Nice tag. Wow. Love it. This is also a sticker? No, I don't think so. And then this die. Ooh. Layered dies from Snelle Design. So cool. Wow. Love it. And here are some other ones. Wow. Love it. Alright, so that's the first step. Oh my god, I love to do this. So cute. So cute, so cute. Okay. I never can open this in one piece, so forgive me if I make the paper ruined, but I never can unbox this properly. Nice. There we go. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Yes, definitely. So I could choose a bit, and when this was popping up on her website, yeah, I just love it. I love Ciao Bella. You know that. You know I love it. And this is a winter collection that I definitely would like to show you. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Shall I do that first? Well, wait just a second. I'm first gonna see what else is inside. I can't wait. I can't wait. Alright, so what else do we have here? This is a nice surprise, guys. Mintai papers. Love these cutouts. I love the words. Wow, this is stunning. Especially my colors. Love it. Wow, wow, wow. And on the back, there is some cotton layers, but it's from the front. That's definitely what it's all about. So that's inside. And then these cut out, and I believe these, yep, these are also from Mintai papers. Love this collection. How is this called? This collection. Free bonus, not for resale. Alright. Love this one. Guys, I love this one. I think it's oh, not particularly, no, I was just saying it maybe it's an Easter one, but not all bunnies are only for Easter, because I love this picture. So, so cool. Alright, so we got some Mintai. And oh, this is from Keizerkraft. Oh, nice. And these are definitely stickers. Yep, those are stickers. So easy to use. Love this. Nothing to cut out, nothing to glue on. Love these. Keizerkraft First Noel sticker sheet. So, so cool. So that is what is in my surprise box. Now I really like to show you these papers. I am in love with Ciao Bella. Let me unwrap this for you guys. So Julie's Secret Stash is a very small website, so don't be surprised if they don't have what you are looking for. It's very small, but they have amazing cute little things and absolutely amazing. Alright, so let me see this. Which way do I go? Well, let me just open it as a little book, shall we? This way. Alright, so the front, and then this is the back. Oh my gosh, love it. Super cool. Mistletoe and falling snow. Yeah, we are still definitely in the snow and Christmas mood. And this is definitely a winter theme, not particularly used for Christmas. So that is a good thing, because we are already in the many Christmas mood. But oh my goodness! Using this on the front of a book, of a mini album. Oh my gosh, love it! Yeah, absolutely stunning. The back is quite simple. I do love Ciao Bella. Absolutely stunning. And I do also love the 8x8, because I don't know how the 12x12 looks. Love the back. I have no idea how the 12x12 looks, but you can imagine if you get a 12x12 sheet with this big image. I always have a lot of troubles using them. Or you have to have a left page or a right page together. But I really like the 8x8 size. So this is definitely a good size to use in an album. Love these swans. Super, super cool. And I do love, as you can see in my own collection, my winter tales, I do love the snow. I almost added every page also the snow. I just love it. I don't know why. It makes it so much nicer. I wish I could use that on every collection, but oh my gosh, I love this. This is so nice. Yeah, you can understand why I just fell in love with these papers. And the back are quiet. That's exactly what I love. Super, super cool tags here. And oh my gosh, they are making a snowman. Super cool. Oh, there's little feet in the snow. And here we have a nice, simple background, but lots of snow. Love it. Oh my gosh. And here we have some wood. Always love having some tags. Fits. Oh my god, I can't wait to make a little project with this. Oh, and the back too. That's a thing that I don't love about Stamperia, because, well, yeah, it's yeah, I do understand why they do that. Left and front, so you can cut these out, so you have a left up and back, front and back card. So yeah, okay, I'm not gonna say anything bad about it. But I wish they did it so I could use two of them gluing down on a nice tag. But that's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. I love them. I really love this. Then we have, what are those? I think little wet, I call those little, not flowers, but little cherry kind of a thing. Really love a plain. It's not plain, but in my eyes it's pretty plain. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ooh. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Oh my gosh, I love this. Yeah, this is definitely a nice winter theme. Oh my god. I hope we get a lot of snow this year. Oh, I love this. December and joy. Love it. Super cool. Yeah, Ciao Bella does it every time, don't they? I think they used the same, or was it? Definitely I saw these houses earlier in the project. I believe it was. I believe it also was from Stamperia. Yeah, the Lady and the Vagabond. I think it was, but love it. Let it snow every winter. Has its spring and nothing burns like the cold. No winter lasts forever. Winter City. Amazing. And a memorable snow day. Let it snow. No winter lasts forever. White lips. Pale face. Breathing in snowflakes. Oh, that sounds nice. So anyway, and then the back is also pretty plain. This is a collection from Ciao Bella, Memories of a Snowy Day. Oh my gosh, it's just a fairy tale, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What can you make with an 8x8? Oh, with all these cute... Oh, definitely. Definitely, I am gonna see if I can make something with this. Otherwise I have to wait till I have time, maybe on my holidays, winter holidays or something. But oh my goodness, so darn cute. So check out the website. That is from Julie, Julie's Secret Stash. Check it out. I will put the link below. Thank you so much, Julie, for sending me this, and I wish you all the best on your cute store. Instagram is a hit. I definitely believe that it is a hit. Love all your videos, all your pictures you are making. Keep going like that, because you are gonna make bigger and bigger and bigger each year. I promise you that. Bye bye. Give me a big thumbs if you like this video. Till next time.